what I'm going to do is this, right? Next 20 minutes, I'm going to talk to you about, first, give a brief introduction about Whirlpool as a company, but then quickly transform into actually talking about why vision is important in our roadmap for Whirlpool, right? So let's get started. I'm sure some of you have heard about Whirlpool, but I thought it's good to recap about our company. So the company, as such, has a vision to be the best kitchen and laundry company in the world, and with the purpose of being, relentlessly in constant pursuit of improving life at home. Our mission is really about, earning trust and then creating demand from our consumers. And this we do every day, and that is one of the reasons you see the results on the right-hand side, which is really about, we are a company which is a profitable company based in Benton Harbor, Michigan, right? But we operate out of many countries, at least we operate out of 50 countries worldwide, and we are still the largest company with respect to, the number of brands we carry. We have about 11 brands, 6 of them are greater than $1 billion. And we are also being represented very much in every country which we operate, right? So if you go across the world, we are actually number one in many of the countries we operate. And we launch almost like 100 products every year. And overall, about 66 million products is what we sell every year, right? So it's a company which is really about mass scale with respect to kitchen, laundry room. So our real focus is really around kitchen and laundry room. And that's where we innovate, and that's where we want to make our consumers delighted.